Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Online Learning Consortium's Instructional Designer Certificate. So we're in course number 4 now, if you can believe it. I'm very excited to have the opportunity to share this 4-week-long journey with you. My name is Mel, for those of you who haven't met me, and I'll be your facilitator. I have over 15 years of educational experience ranging from classroom and graduate level teaching to administration and counseling. I'm a dissertation chair and I teach undergraduate and graduate courses online and develop a variety of curricula for online higher education institutions. I'm excited to serve as your facilitator for this online consortium course. We are beginning this 4-week discovery journey together, and we'll have lots of opportunities to share and explore best practices in the online teaching and learning environment. In our first week, we're going to be accomplishing a lot. Actually, we're going to be focusing on the OSCAR rubric, and if you haven't gotten a chance to explore that, you'll be really excited to get familiar with it. I think it's really going to serve as an excellent lens for quality for your instructional design work. We'll be working together as a cohort these 4 weeks and serving as a learning community, and you all have gotten to experience some of that learning community collaboration. This week, if you will, please jump in and give yourself the opportunity to post your introduction early so that we can get to refresh ourselves with the folks who are here, who you've worked with before, and maybe meet some new folks who are joining us. The initial post for your introduction is due on Thursday, and then follow-ups are due Saturday. And in addition, you're going to have your first activity where you will analyze the OSCAR rubric, and there's a series of steps you'll take in doing that. The initial discussion is going to be due on Friday for that, with 2 follow-up posts due on Sunday. As you begin here, I'd encourage you to think about how you'll set aside time each week to accomplish the learning activities that we have and keep up with the rest of the class so that we really are engaged in a collaborative community along the way. Successful participants find that if they plan out their time in the workshop each day, then they're able to successfully complete on time, and it creates a less stressful experience overall. So as we set off on our learning journey together, I look forward to the experience and expanding our knowledge in instructional design approaches. Again, welcome to our program. Let's get started.